Welcome to this PowerShell tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to list local users and groups on a Windows machine using PowerShell. Whether you're managing user permissions, troubleshooting, or securing your system, these commands will help you get the job done. We'll go through 3 different methods, starting with the easiest and most modern approach, followed by advanced options for older systems or detailed queries. Let's get started. Why list local users and groups? Before jumping into the commands, let's quickly talk about why this is useful. Listing local users and groups helps you 1. Manage security. You can check if there are any unknown or unauthorized accounts. 2. Monitor user permissions. You'll see which accounts have administrator rights. 3. Troubleshoot login or access issues by identifying group memberships. Now that we understand why, let's take a look at the methods we'll be using. We'll cover 3 different ways to list local users and groups in PowerShell. First, PowerShell cmdlets. These are the easiest built-in commands to retrieve user and group information. Second, Windows Management Instrumentation or WMI and its modern equivalent CIM. These provide deeper system queries and more detailed data. Third, Active Directory Service Interfaces, also called ADSI. This method is useful for older Windows versions and advanced scripting. Now let's start with the simplest method, PowerShell cmdlets. Listing local users with PowerShell cmdlets. To list all local users on your system, open PowerShell and press Enter, and you'll see a list of user accounts. The output will include columns such as name, whether the account is enabled, and a description. If you only want to see enabled users, use this command get-localUser. Pipe where -object. Open curly brace, $_.enabled, -eq, $true, close curly brace. This filters the output and displays only active accounts. Now let's check local groups. To do this, type get-localGroup, press Enter, and you'll see all the local security groups available on your machine. Each group has different permission levels. For example, the administrators group has full system control, while the users group has limited access. To check which users belong to a specific group, such as administrators, type get-localGroupMember, -name, administrators, This will display all members of the administrators group, including both local users and domain accounts, if applicable. If you see an unexpected account listed, it's a good idea to investigate further to ensure security. Now let's explore a more detailed method using WMI and CIM. If you're using an older version of PowerShell or if you need more system details, you can use this command get-sim-instance, -class name, win32_user account, -filter, local account equals single quote, true single quote. This will retrieve detailed information about local user accounts, including security identifiers or SIDs. Security identifiers are unique codes assigned to each user. They help the system track user permissions even if the account name changes. ADSI or Active Directory Service Interfaces is another way to list users and groups, especially on older Windows versions. To list users, use this script $ADSI equals open square bracket ADSI close square bracket, win nt $n computer name, $ADSI.children, pipe where -object, open curly brace, $_.cma class name, -eq, user, close curly brace. This retrieves all user accounts using the Windows NT directory service. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We covered 3 ways to list local users and groups in PowerShell. 1. PowerShell cmdlets, the easiest and most recommended method. 2. WMI and CIM provides more system details, including security identifiers. 3. ADSI, useful for older Windows systems or advanced scripting needs. For most cases, the get-localUser and get-localGroup commands are the best options. If you need detailed system information, use get-sim-instance. Before we wrap up, here are a few best practices. Always run PowerShell as an administrator to get full access to user and group details. Use filtering techniques like where -object to refine your results. Regularly review your local users and groups to maintain security. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more PowerShell tips. Thanks for watching.